Hey guys, this is Shirish and you are on Bonsai and Gardening Zone. And in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to grow coriander or cilantro or hara dhaniya in container very easily at home. It can be easily grown in your garden or terrace or balcony if you are limited with space. Guys, it's a different one of picking fresh, aromatic and organic coriander leaves from your own garden to use in everyday cooking, making salads, green chutney, etc. This is one of the most easy to grow nutritious herb at home with very low maintenance. Coriander is an annual herb. All parts of the plant are edible, but the fresh leaves and dried seeds are the parts most traditionally used in everyday cooking. Coriander plants loves loam and well-drained soil. You can prepare soil by adding 50% garden soil, 30% vermicompost or well-rotten cow dung compost, 20% sand or perlite. Add some water and mix it very well before use. Guys, good thing about growing coriander is that you don't have to buy expensive seeds. You can just get a small pack of dried coriander seeds from grocery store. But make sure its date of packing should be under 6 months and seeds should not be too old. Don't sow whole seeds. Crush the seeds by rubbing with hands or use a wooden roller so that every seed can split into 2 seeds. To increase germination speed, soak them into the water overnight. Coriander does not need transplanting. It will grow best when sowing directly in the soil or containers. Dig 1 inch deep row with 4 to 5 inch of distance. Apply seeds in rows evenly. Now cover the seeds with soil. Don't sow the seeds too deep or it will be hard for the seeds to germinate. Now water it throughout with watering can. Place the pot where it gets full sunlight. Keep the soil always moist but not soggy. Don't let the soil completely dry out. To get a regular supply of fresh dhaniya leaves for a long time, make successive sowings of seeds after 3 weeks again. Cilantro or coriander can be grown throughout the year except a very hot period between March to June, but thrives at its best when you sow the seeds between October to early December. After 10 days, most seeds has been germinated. Guys, it's been a month from seeding. Plants has become 4 to 5 inch tall. Now you can start harvesting coriander leaves in about 3 to 4 weeks. Guys, as you can see, plants are now fully grown up and achieved a height of 10 to 12 inches. I harvest a handful of fresh leaves every now and then for my kitchen need. I can feel pleasant aroma while harvesting this lush green herb. Nothing can be more fresh than this. Coriander or dhaniya plant needs regular watering, but it cannot withstand waterlogging. Keep the soil moist but don't overwater it. It loves full sun, but in extreme hot days, keep it in partial shade during harsh summer. Coriander plant has a short life cycle and bolts quickly in very hot weather. Guys, it's been 90 days and as you can see, these plants have developed flowers and seed pods. Snip off the top part of the main stem as soon as it appears to be developing flower buds or seed pods. Cutting off the flower heads concentrate plant's energy back into growing new leaves rather than growing flowers or seeds. In fact, these flowers and crunchy green seeds taste amazing too. Once coriander develops seeds, the plant quickly starts to degrade. If you want dried seeds for next season, let them grow until plants dries out. Guys, you can feed coriander plants with a water-soluble fertilizer like seaweed or mustard cake tea when they reach about 2 inches in height. You can also apply a thin layer of compost in every 20 days. Coriander plant rarely has problems with insects or diseases. In fact, probably due to its strong scent, it is considered as a pest repellent also. Excess moisture and poor air circulation most often cause the problem of brown spots on leaves. So guys, just follow these simple tips and you can also grow your own organic coriander and achieve a constant supply of this fresh green herb for your kitchen. Well guys, that's all for now. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and comment on this video in comment section. Consider subscribing this channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching and keep on gardening.